And on the other hand, you've got these tools that are incredibly sophisticated and taking, level 10 engineers and making them 50%, 2x more productive. Fundamentally is the world is rate limited by talent, by people. It's because it's really hard for the average company, whether it's a small business, a large business, a financial services company, an insurance broker, a hospital, to find people that can actually produce better tools, better systems, and ultimately better outcomes for customers. And if you go ask kind of any company, you go ask any company in Silicon Valley, where if they need to hire more engineers, the answer is almost always yes. And this is the mecca of of software engineering. Now imagine what the rest of the world looks like. And so, just taking software engineering as an example, we see it as not only incredibly, there being an incredible opportunity to inflect outcomes for those for companies large and small, but we see it really as incumbent on OpenAI to be able to build the tool sets, the models, all the, the safeguards, all of the compliance schemas and all that, to be able to actually serve these tools in the places that they need to be. I think, on the one hand, you've got this tool set that is going to be incredibly enabling of people who have no sophistication on the subject matter. So you've got companies now building tools that are enabling people to build software who've never written a line of code in their life. And on the other hand, you've got these tools that are incredibly sophisticated and taking, level 10 engineers and making them 50%, 2x more productive. And it's a remarkable thing that you can get both of those effects.